Make money work for you teaching online. Teaching online has so many benefits. Flexibility, set your own hours and work from anywhere. Job satisfaction, you get to help students learn and grow. Global reach, connect with students from around the world. No commute, save time and money by working from home. Easy setup, online platforms provide all the tools you need. If you're passionate about teaching, there's never been a better time to start. First, pick a subject or skill you're good at. It could be academic subjects like math, science, or English. Specialized skills like coding, music, or test prep. Finding your niche will help you target the right audience and make your tutoring sessions more effective. Here are some top online platforms to kickstart your teaching career. Schooly, flexible and great for academic tutoring. Tutor Hub, easy setup and fast earning potential. VIP Kid, ideal for teaching English to kids. Prep Now Tutoring, perfect for SAT, ACT, and test prep. Varsity Tutors, broad subjects and one-on-one or group options. Other platforms like Magic Ears, Check Tutors, and Kids are also fantastic options. Check out their unique features to see what works best for you. To make your online teaching engaging and effective, you'll need these tools. Edmodo, create virtual classrooms and share assignments. ClassDojo, perfect for younger students with interactive features. CK12, free resources for K-12 tutoring. EDU Clipper, organize and share lesson materials easily. Also, invest in reliable tech like a fast internet connection, a high-quality webcam, and a good microphone. These will ensure a seamless teaching experience. Here are my top tips to succeed as an online tutor. Be prepared, plan your lessons and have materials ready. Be patient, not all students learn at the same pace. Adapt your approach. Use technology effectively, engage students with interactive tools. Stay professional, be punctual and maintain a professional appearance. Build relationships, connect with your students to keep them engaged. With the demand for online tutors at an all-time high, there's no better time to start teaching online. Whether you're a math whiz, a language expert, or a test prep guru, there's a platform waiting for you. Take the leap today, set your own hours, and make a meaningful impact while earning money from anywhere in the world. I hope this guide inspires you to start your online teaching journey. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of future videos. Comment below with your teaching niche or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For details visit the website mentions below in description.